Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining Temu shipping delay and the delivery time. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So Temu usually delivers within 7 to 15 business days, but sometimes your order might take longer time. So let's try to find out why this actually happened. This happens due to a lot of reasons, like sometimes Temu takes extra time to pack and ship your order, so that's why processing delays can happen. And sometimes if your package is coming from overseas, it might get stuck in customs as well. Sometimes bad weather or holiday shopping rush, and that can also slow your things down. So here is how you can basically fix your Temu delivery delays. So first of all, you need to track your order, and in order to track your order, you need to first of all launch your Temu app. And here in the bottom you will see this U tab, so you need to tap on it. Here you will see your order section, so you need to simply tap on it, and here you will see the orders, and you will be able to get the insight of the latest updates, or you can even just track your order from this section. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply contact to the Temu customer service. For that, on this page you will see this headphone icon, so you need to simply tap on it and you can directly contact to the Temu customer service and ask them about your delivery and why it is getting delayed. You need to check if there is an issue with your shipping address. So if you see any problem with your shipping address, make sure that you update it as soon as possible. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more this type of tricks. Thanks for watching.